friends, this is Leena Moon. Our today's topic is how important diary writing to improve our English communication. There are many types of diary writing. They are travel diary, health diary, food diary, secret diary also. Recently, diaries have been converted to electronic forms such as blogs or online journals. If I talk about daily diary writing, many people are used to writing diary. In it, they write the description of their whole day. Or I can say so, they write in it whatever happened from morning till evening. If you want to learn English language or any other new language, then what is the role of diary writing in it? Everyone knows that English language learning has 4 skills. They are reading, writing, listening and speaking. When it comes of writing or we need to practice writing, it is very difficult for us to write on such different topics. But here diary writing is related to our own life, so we can write comfortably. Apart from this, there are other benefits of diary writing. Regular diary writing is good for mind and it helps reduce stress as it brings out day's worries. Getting thoughts out on paper helps people to stay organized and keeps goals on track. Regular diary writing teaches us self-discipline and self-control. People express their love, anger, sadness, excitement, gratitude. Now, I would like to give you one example of diary writing. Right now, I am holding this diary in my hand. It is not mine. Rather, this is my sister's diary. Isn't it funny? But it's true. Now I read it. Today I got up in the morning with the noise of mobile ring. I took a glass of lukewarm water with honey and lemon juice. Then I went for the morning walk. After coming back, I had to make tea and breakfast for the family. My son had an online class in the morning, so he got busy for 1 hour. Today my maid came late to work by 10 a.m. so I could relax a little. I read the newspaper. It was good to know that NEP 2020, National Education Policy 2020, was approved by the Union Cabinet of India. At 11:30, I went shopping to mall. There I met my aunt. She gave me the news that her daughter Priya's wedding date was fixed for 15th December in Hyderabad. Okay. Now our family can look forward to nice holiday in Hyderabad. Interesting. After the wedding function, my hubby said that we could go to Ooty and Kodaikanal trip for a week. In the afternoon, I watched my favorite Bollywood movie, Avenger, The Endgame. Then I had a short nap for 1 hour. Then I took my son to his karate class. My son enjoyed a nice uttappam sambar after he got back from his class. His coach informed me that my son was selected to play at the junior state levels. Wow, good news. My all family members were thrilled to hear this news. At 6 o'clock, I got a phone call from my friend Nisha. She told me that she had joined yoga class to reduce her weight. I feel that I must join the yoga class too, so that I can look slim and trim for the wedding in Hyderabad. Yeah, best of luck. In the evening, I had made tasty paneer, butter naan, jeera rice, papad and salad for dinner. So yummy. We watched our favorite program Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma on TV. My son did his homework for half an hour. Then he said good night to me. Before sleeping, he recited his shlokas, which he had learned from his grandmother. After some discussion and argument about the house budget, my hubby agreed to let me buy new dress and some dresses for our son to wear at the forthcoming wedding in Hyderabad. I think I also need to purchase new dresses because since lockdown I never went shopping. Now I can go to sleep in peace. Tomorrow I shall prepare a new dish in the breakfast and I shall make my hubby agree to let me join yoga class. Definitely you will get permission. Hope my plan works right for me. I hope all of you like this diary writing, so give a thumb to my video. Finally, at the end of the day, writing and reading your own thoughts really helps you to improve your English communication. Subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. If you find this video helpful, then do like it, share it with your family members and friends. And thank you so much for watching it.